Welcome back to Easyaf Light Pink. So, starting off, undercoat your model Corax white, and then I'm going to use model colour pink as a base coat, obviously. Tiny bit of water just to help it flow, and just slap it on, you know. Now I know you're thinking, why fuck would you paint Space Marines pink? Well, I don't know, you might want to. This pink, or Cadillac pink as I like to call it, is an amazing colour. It's actually great, and pink in Thailand is the colour of a warrior apparently. Well, I don't know actually, Top Gear says Thailand says that, but I've never heard a Thai person say that when I was in Thailand, so there. And what? Let's have a look at that. First layer, little bit translucent, but it's fine. Chuck another layer of model colour pink on it. Little bit of water to help it flow. It on. You can make chibi Marines, I guess, with this colour pink, or just paint them pink. Do what you want. It's your hobby. You do what you want. Second coat on, let's have a look. Looking a lot better, a lot Cadillac-y. Is that even a word? I don't know, but yeah, Vulpus pink. And this is because Caribou Crimson's a bit too red, so it's 3 drops of water to 1 drop of Caribou Crimson. No, Vulpus pink. And slap it on, and you can see there it's not too stark, but it's enough that when it goes in the recesses you can actually see. That's dried. Let's have a look at that. See, it's a nice subtle shade. Which is good. Now we're going to re-establish that model colour pink. Use your large dry brush. And then broad strokes, you know it, you know the drill. The broad strokes. Right, with that done, let's have a look. See, we've re-established the colour whilst having a bit of shade in there. It's nice, it's lovely, it's bon, it's very bon. Now we're going to go to Vallejo Game Colour Squid Pink. Which is the tiniest bit lighter. It's like very, very subtly lighter, but that's fine. That's what we want, as you can see on the tissue. And then I cover it up and you can't see it, so if you missed it, you're gutted. So I have hardly any on the brush. Then broad strokes again. And instantly you can see, because of that slight shade, the slight highlight comes out a bit more. Looks great. Lovely. Now that's done, let's have a look. Yeah, love it. Great. That's what you want. If you want pink marines. Looks great. Now we're going to go to Fulgrim Pink, which is an edge paint. And then the paint never comes out. So you've got to fuck about. There you go, that's come out. And then work it into the bristles with a small dry brush to that point where there's hardly anything on. Then you're going to pick out the raised details, test it, always test it, always test it. See where it's a slight, where the colour gradient is very, very slight, it's easier to sort of, like, you won't see scuffs as much on the curved surfaces. Obviously if this was Mark III, it'd be easy, or Mark II, it'd be pretty easy as well. Or the best Mark V, it'd be good as well. Bosh, there you go.